There is no greater pain than watching your home fall to ruin. Since the Skelmars ripped out the heart of Edoran, our sky has turned black over rivers of blood. They burned our crops, sacked our villages, and enchained our people. And yet, we must fight back. What weapons must we build to reclaim our homes? What faith will carry us as we free our land? Who will answer our call to fend off the raiders? Will you stand with us and take back Edoran?